want to be late on your first day back. Firing job!
You can't be scared of water your whole life.
Ah, tell that to the water tentacle.
Well, I thought we agreed that it was only a full moon.
No, you agreed on that.
Yeah, well, try and get out of your mind. Concentrate on your final year.
Oh, I could look at this place. Yeah? Give it a week.
Hey, Bella, looks like you're not the only newbie.
Oh, Will's starting here too.
Hey, do you reckon he remembers anything from the moon pool?
Doesn't matter, the less we see from the better.
Come on, I'll show you around.
Nice to see a face I recognise.
Oh, you're talking to me.
I remembered something about that cave.
Oh, that was you.
Something weird knocked me over.
Look, Will, I'm really not interested.
So you do remember me? The thing is, I need to get back into that cave.
Why? You swam in, you slipped, you hit your head, we found you. That's it.
What were you guys doing there?
We like exploring.
In party clothes.
Well, lucky for you, we found you when we did.
How did you get there?
Obviously, we found another entrance.
Oh, will you show it to me?
I'm not going back there.
At least point me in the right direction.
I don't think I could find it again, even if I wanted to.
He's going out to Mako.
I couldn't talk him out of it.
We need to go with him.
I don't think we should be encouraging him to go out there again.
Ricky, he's seen the water attack us. I mean, we need to find out what he knows before the next full moon.
And how are you going to do that?
One of us could distract him.
While the others re-examine the moon pool.
She's got it.
Oh, has she?
If you don't want to do it, I'll go out there with him.
He wants a guide. You've been there once. That was underwater at night.
Ah, but who better to lead him astray than someone who has no idea where they're going? So, I hear you're going to Mako Island.
Where did you hear that?
Oh, it's all over school. Not really, but seriously, when are you going?
Why do you want to know?
Because I'm coming with you. I love it over there and I know it really well, so I can help you. We all need help sometimes, it's part of being human. Besides, I can take you to that cave.
The underwater entrance?
No, wait, no. Too soggy, and I'm not a very good swimmer. No, we'll go to the other entrance, which comes from above. So Saturday's best for me, about 10. I'll see you on the beach.
How about more like 9?
Better. All right, see you then.
And he didn't think it was sus, you just inviting yourself along.
Why would he?
The fact that you've only just met, the fact that I was the only one he told who was going, and now suddenly you know all about it.
He didn't mention it.
Well, I think it's too risky. We don't know anything about him.
That's the point.
Maybe we should go with you and keep you company.
No, thanks. I'll be fine on my own. See ya.
You really think she can do this?
Sure, why not?
I wish I could be that sure.
I know it's irrational. I don't feel safe anymore. Hey, I do really appreciate you helping, especially since you don't believe what Will saw.
Yeah, well, we know all about Mako. There's no surprises left.
Ah, this is what you're doing.
Just while I'm talking to you, I need a new tackle box. No, Cleo. Cleo, come on. I know this Mako thing's got you spooked.
Do you? Lewis, because I don't think you realise how much that water attacked us.
And you guys beat it off.
It came from the moon pool. That's our place. We've always felt safe there.
It was a full moon, Cleo. There's no reason to assume that it will ever happen again.
And no reason why it won't.
Okay, so we'll look into it.
When? Look, I can't just wait around to be attacked again. Something changed out there, and I want to know what.
You haven't got a boat?
Some friends dropped me off earlier. Wow, you're really serious about this.
Yeah, I need to know what happened to me. Anyway, thanks for coming. It'll be a big help having someone who knows the island.
That's me. I can help with that if you like.
Thanks. You all right?
Yep. This way.
about Bella?
Yeah, with good reason. She's leading him in the wrong direction.
That's the point. Now we get to check out the moon pool. We'll lead him to it.
Sure we're heading in the right direction?
Yeah, it's over here somewhere.
After you.
Oh, no, you go first. I'll just take my shoes off.
A little bit of water won't hurt.
I don't want to wreck them.
But you're taking your shoes off.
I need a minute alone.
What?
There isn't a bathroom around here, is there? Yeah, you just keep walking and I'll catch up with you. No looking!
Bella? You okay? Bella! Bella, can you hear me? Did you fall in? I'm coming back, okay? Okay? Bella, can you hear me? Bella! Bella, are you okay? Bella! Bella! Bella, where are you?
What are you doing here?
I don't know, saving your tail?
Bella!
You don't trust me, do you? Careful. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Bella! Bella!
Hey,
What are you doing here?
I asked her to come.
Why?
Hey, any excuse to come and hang out in a bug-infested jungle.
Where did you go to before?
I got a bit wet, so I went and dried off.
So why didn't you answer when I called?
Oh, were you calling me? I was like way back in the jungle.
Well, that's that solved then. So what's next?
I'm still looking for that cave entrance.
Which is this way.
Bella said it was on the other side of the island. That's this way, right?
Absolutely.
No, I don't think so.
You said you couldn't remember where it was. You coming?
Could you take the backpack, Ricky?
There's got to be an easy way in. Now, look, I might think that this whole thing is a waste of time.
So what do you call that?
So what were you doing diving into that cave at night?
I followed some fish in from the reef.
You really like your fish, huh?
I get sea creatures better than I get people.
Isn't it kind of risky diving into caves, though?
Not for me. I'm a free diver. I can hold my breath for a long time.
Cool.
Yeah, it's part of my training. And I'm very careful with where I dive.
But you didn't know what you would find in there.
No, but I saw something strange, some sort of shimmer in the water.
A shimmer.
You think I'm weird?
No. Are you?
Ask me, going to school is pretty weird. Oh, you right?
Yes. It's my first year there too. It always takes a while to settle in.
I wouldn't know. It's the first one I've been to.
Yeah, right. Really?
Yeah, I mean, I've been at school 1 week.
You're kidding.
The rest of my life I've been homeschooled.
How did you manage that?
Parents have always lived on a yacht. My whole life, I've never been anywhere long enough to make it worthwhile starting school.
That's kind of freaky. My dad's in hotel management, so we've lived all over the world and I've never had 2 years in a row at the same school.
Yeah, you never know anyone long enough to make friends with.
Yeah. Might be different this time.
Do you think it's safe?
It's hardly going to flood the place.
But it wasn't here before.
Yeah, but these volcanic islands crack and move all the time.
And unleash what?
Cleo, there's nothing unnatural about it. It's probably just a little bit of storm runoff seeping through. Look.
Oh,
See? It's just plain fresh water.
Lewis.
Lewis?
Lewis, what's wrong? Lewis, what's wrong? Lewis! Oh, sorry.
Oh, come on. Come on, I had you going for a little bit there, didn't I? Not that funny, eh?
Are you sure we're going the right way?
Yeah, this way.
I think this is just behind the edge of the crater.
Right.
So the entrance to the cave has got to be around here.
It does? It does.
What exactly are we looking for?
Some kind of opening in the ground. It was pretty dark when we found it.
You must recognize something. Bella?
Have you lost her again?
Down here!
You all right?
Yeah!
What's it like down there?
Too dark to tell. Big though.
She found it.
Great! Don't worry, Bella, we'll get you out.
Forget that, I'm going in.
Are you okay down there? Will's coming! Thank you.
You did good.
Thank you for not breaking my fall.
Okay, pull ought to be behind there.
Yeah, that's right.
Is this amazing or what?
Will, be careful up there. Hey, guys.
And Cleo, you told me about this cave, so, I just want to check it out for myself. But I can tell you, though, it's a plain old, everyday, boring volcanic crater.
You think?
Yep. I think it probably formed about 70 to 100 million years ago. Hey, that's a P75 hammer. I've got one.
This was not here before.
It's definitely not what attacked me.
Guys, we need to work out what he remembers.
Lewis. Will. No, great.
So is this what it looked like?
I don't know. It's not what was in my mind.
What is in your mind exactly?
Well, I only saw it for a moment. Waterfall was massive.
Yeah, and where was it? Because this is a tiny little trickle.
Yeah, I know, but it filled the whole place.
That's impossible.
It felt alive and it had energy shooting out of it.
What do you mean,
It was
energy?
flying through the air in all directions.
That doesn't make any sense.
There was a shape in the pool. It seemed so real. I wanted to touch it.
Are you okay?
I don't know.
You know what I think? I think you hit your head and you had a crazy dream.
Ricky,
You were delirious. You don't know what you saw.
You think I imagined it?
Show me one thing in here that would make me think otherwise.
Ricky.
Because it all looks pretty serene to me. And we were there too, remember? Do you remember that? We didn't see anything. So go on, show me.
That's enough.
I don't know. I need some fresh air.
Are you happy now?
Look, it had to be done.
Guys,
Using him like that felt awful.
guys, behind you!
I'm guessing that's not normal. Well, wait. I was worried about you.
You must be crazy. Coming all the way out here to search for something magical? You're a psycho.
You are not.
Did I really imagine all that stuff?
Look, the truth is, when we found you, you were pretty out of it. You were muttering all sorts of things that didn't really make sense. I guess you hit your head pretty hard.
I'm sorry for dragging you all the way out here. There's nothing in that cave.
Don't be. I I had a good day.
Did you? I can take you back to the mainland.
I should probably get back to the guys, but look, if I fall in a hole again, I'll be sure to call you.
Yeah. I'll see you later.
What's going on here, Lewis?
I don't know. I can't believe I was so wrong. I'm sorry for doubting you.
Careful.
I'm just testing. Stand here.
Well, Will's not coming back.
Good work.
Bella, come here. Closer. It takes all of us to attract it.
It's got to be related to the tentacle.
I agree.
You might be onto something.
Might?
I think you guys should stay away from here.
No. This is our place, and we're not going to be chased out of here by a leaky wall, right?